Okay. Well, I'm going to show you how I would do this drawing that you're trying to pad. So here's what I would do. Um, the first thing we're going to do is open up our sketch. Oh, before we get started, let me tell you, I am using the most recent developer build, which is from February 4th. Okay. Here's the hash, and this is the most recent build. Okay. That being said, some of the visuals and stuff might not look the same, but the steps should still be the same. We're going to do this in part design. Okay. So we're going to create our body. And since we know we're going to have multiple pieces on the same drawing, we are going to have to make an adjustment here. So you're going to click on body, go to property view, and then it should say allow compound. And we're going to click yes. So we're going to have, because we're going to have two different, let's see what the highlight says. There you go. Allow multiple solids on the body, in the body. So there you go. So this would be specifically for designs where I have multiple solids on the same drawing, so to speak. All right. So now we got our space set up. Let's go ahead and draw. We are going to click new. We're going to go to XY plane and let that draw. Okay. So there we have it. So we're going to center this up. All right. Now, if I remember correctly, you have two slotted items. You have a hole, then you have a long slot, and then another hole. So we're gonna use the slot tool. Wow, you're not. There we go. What the heck is going on? My memory must be going crazy. Hold on. Okay, slot tool. All right. Whew. My memory must be getting used up. So we're gonna do 300. As for width, since I don't have your measurements, I'm just going to make up some measurements. So we'll do 300, zero angle. And let's see, what would be the radius of this? We'll make it nice and easy to see. We'll do 10 millimeters. So that means the distance from top to bottom here is actually what? Should be 20 millimeters, correct? All right, so we'll hit enter, and there we go. And then we'll do the same over here. Draw another one. Yeah, my memory must be getting full up here. All right, so we're gonna do 300 on this one. Zero angle. We're gonna use 10 millimeters here as well. Hit enter. All right, so now we got it designed. Now we got our two basic shapes designed, but we want to center them up. So we'll do. What we're going to do is click this dot, and our center line, and we're going to use symmetrical constraint. Okay, we're going to do the same for this one. Center dot, and that, and symmetrical. All right, so now they're both centered. Okay, you can move them up and down if you want. It doesn't matter. Uh, we'll do it like this. How's this? Make it look nice and pretty. All right, now what we want to do is we're going to make all our holes. We have a hole here, and a hole here, if memory serves. So these will be dimensional. So we're going to go zoom in a little bit for ease to see. You're going to get that X so that it knows you're centered up on that dot. And we're going to do, let's see, let's do 10 millimeters for here as well. Now, this is circumference or dimension, not radius for circles. All right. All right. And I'm going to draw another one here. We'll do this 10 millimeters as well. Okay. And then let's move over here to this one. Do this one and 10 millimeters. Type that in and hit enter. All right. Now this one is aligned to the center, so we don't need to worry about it. Okay. And this one is aligned to center, so we don't need to worry about it as well either. But we need to position this one correctly. Now, if I remember your design really quick. You have this in the middle here, and it's aligned with this one. So that's going to be a piece of cake. So we're going to select this dot and this dot, and we're going to make it horizontal constraint. Oops, hold on. Wrong one first. This one and this one, horizontal. What? Oh, I'm sorry. I did it backwards. This one and this one, horizontal. Okay. So there we go. You got to select them in the right. You want to move this one to this one. So you have to select this one first, just like this one. So I want to move this to this line now, and I'm going to put it on the coincidence constraint. So that's going to put it right on the dot. See? Selection order does matter. All right, so now we got all our holes. Now you need to make one more of these. So let's see. Our radius on this one is 10 millimeters. So we'll probably do radius on this one of 5. So we're going to do another slot, align it with this dot like this. Okay, and then let's do 250 millimeters wide, 0 angle, and we'll do, what did I say? 5 millimeters? Yeah, 5 millimeters looks good. All right, and there we go. Let's zoom out. Yep, so 5 millimeters there is the same as these 10 millimeter radius because these are 5 millimeters radius. All right, so there you go. That's all your design. That's all your measurements. That's all your design. Everything's in there. Okay, now all you need to do is pad it. And it's that simple. So close. You'll see the drawing. And you just go to pad. There you go. See the pad? If you don't have this version where you can see the translucency, wait. This stuff is really nice. Really nice to use. And let's pad it to, let's say, 5 millimeters. All right. And then we'll hit OK. And there you go. There's your finished design. All right. Now, if you wanted to add anything else, say you wanted to add a post, you can add it to, let's do this. Let's do this just for your example. We're going to select that face, and then we're going to do a new design. And then let's do I know this doesn't belong there, so let's do a new post. Ooh, actually, hold on. Let's do something. I got a good chance to make an example here. Let's add this. We're gonna bring this in here. So now we have outside geometry in. So now I can line up this hole with my new post. Ooh, that'd be kind of cool. So let's do this. So we're going to draw this, and we know that is 10 millimeters. Hit enter. And then instead of, now I'm going to close it. So now I got the drawing on the surface, and I'm going to pad that from there. Look at that. See? So now you got that. Now you got a 10 millimeter post on there. So it's like you can connect these two. Ooh, that'd be pretty cool. So anyway, so there you go. That's how you line that stuff up and how it all works. All in one drawing, all in one body. You don't have to worry about the multiple body things. So I hope this helps. And